Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting on gloves, safety glasses, and hearing protection so you can work confidently. Once on, inspect the trimmer blade for the correct tooth pattern and no cracks. A dull blade causes chatter and burns. You clamp the metal securely and scribe a precise cut line. This prevents movement and keeps tolerances. Now set depth and feed speed per material, lower for hardened steel, faster for soft aluminum. Then slowly engage the blade and make a light pilot pass. Once the pilot pass looks clean, you increase feed gradually while keeping a steady hand and consistent pressure. Forcing the trimmer leads to poor finish and spring back. Make directional cuts that follow grain or material flow when possible. This reduces burrs and heat buildup. You pause every few passes to blow or brush chips away and check blade engagement. Trapped chips score the work. Make fine shallow passes for final dimension control and to achieve a smooth edge without overheating the part. As you finish, you deburr the cut with a file or stone and inspect the edge for accuracy and surface quality. That final touch prevents injuries and improves fit. If you feel vibration or a wobble, stop, power down, and recheck blade tightness and arbor runout. Imbalance is the usual cause. If you see burn marks or melting, make sure coolant is applied and reduce feed or increase blade speed. With those corrections, you complete the job cleanly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.